The realm of wearable technology is constantly advancing, and Garmin continues to lead the charge with groundbreaking innovations. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is here, setting new standards with its cutting-edge features, unmatched durability, and exceptional functionality. Next-level design, Garmin's Fenix series has always been celebrated for its robust construction, and the Fenix 8 Pro takes it to the next level. This latest model boasts a sleeker, lighter design compared to the Fenix 7 Pro, ensuring enhanced comfort for extended wear. Titanium ceramic hybrid bezel. One standout design update is the titanium ceramic hybrid bezel. This innovative blend not only looks premium but also enhances scratch resistance. Perfect for those intense outdoor adventures. AMOLED display technology. The Fenix 8 Pro transitions to AMOLED display technology, offering richer colors, deeper contrasts, and higher resolution. Whether you're reading data in direct sunlight or exploring detailed maps, every detail is vividly clear. Smart energy management, and the best part? This stunning display doesn't drain the battery. With dynamic refresh rate technology, the Fenix 8 Pro adjusts the screen refresh rate based on user activity, ensuring optimal power efficiency. Enhanced solar charging. Battery life is a hallmark of the Fenix series, and the Fenix 8 Pro takes it further with enhanced solar charging. This ensures effective sunlight capture, making it perfect for multi-day expeditions. Advanced health monitoring. Garmin's reputation for health monitoring is well-deserved. The Fenix 8 Pro is equipped with an advanced optical heart rate sensor, ensuring accurate readings across various skin tones and activity levels. Plus, real-time ECG tracking could provide invaluable insights into heart health. Expanded sports modes and endurance metrics. For athletes, the Fenix 8 Pro offers expanded sports modes and advanced endurance metrics. Whether you're in high-intensity workouts or recovery sessions, this device provides tailored insights to elevate your fitness journey. Accurate navigation with multiband GNSS. Accurate navigation is crucial for adventurers, and the Fenix 8 Pro delivers with multiband GNSS technology. It ensures exceptional GPS precision even in challenging environments, enabling you to navigate confidently. Modern lifestyle features. While excelling in fitness and adventure features, the Fenix 8 Pro is also designed for modern lifestyles. Enhanced compatibility with third-party apps, expanded music storage, and improved notification management make staying connected effortless.